Now, what I will tell you guys is, coming back to the conversation earlier about, trying to find a job in Gen AI and all that. In theory, there should be an increased demand for companies that want human validation done on some of their results, right? Because that's one of the things that really isn't talked about in Gen AI. That to do a proper Gen AI effort, you're going to need a lot of human validation. And I actually have a video on this. I think it's my very, very first video, which means that nobody watched it, right? People underestimate the amount of human effort that you need for some of these LLMs. Because just because you have an LLM doesn't mean it's automatically correct. You have to guide it, right? You have to go through the multiple training iterations, maybe update the data, so on and so forth, right? So you really need a huge human validation staff. OpenAI doesn't publish its numbers, but I'm pretty sure that they must have a massive human validation effort, right? Knowing what I know about the industry and the projects that I've led, and I've done plenty of NLP, you're going to need a lot of humans for that validation. So Syed, maybe in the future, there's reasons to remain optimistic.